Google Plus is no longer available, but Google provides other ways to connect and share online. Here are a few options using current Google features, that is Google Current for Workspace users, YouTube communities, and Google Maps contributions. First of all, you need to go ahead and sign into your Google Workspace account, which is usually provided by your work or school, and then input your details and log in. Another thing we have is Google Currents. Google Current is a collaboration platform where you can go ahead and chat with other people, which was formerly the Google Plus for business users. You can get started and follow the instructions to join communities and post updates. Note that Google Current is only for Google Workspace accounts, but not personal Gmail accounts. You can also go ahead and open the YouTube communities. For that, open your YouTube application and look for the community tab on the channels that use it. You can then participate by posting comments, polls, and interacting with the channel creators. This lets you join public social communities on Google's platform. Another thing you can search for is Google Map contributions. So open Google Maps or Google Map contribution and sign into your Google account first. And then you can go ahead, post reviews, photos, and updates about businesses or places, and earn badges and connect with other contributors as well. So this is how Google creates a local social network based on locations and interest. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.